So yan, it's been a while. I know it's been a while since I last posted a vlog and all. Medyo missing in action ako lately. So, ayun today, meron kaming bridal shower for Darling, one of our friends. So, ayun, if you notice, my hair is a little longer. Extensions lang to. I just want to look different today. Anong masasabi mo naman?
Che?
Busy ka ba? Bakit ayaw mo? Hita nga ilalabas ko sa vlog.
Later.
Pag wala pang makeup. Pag wala pang makeup. Yan, nagpe-prepare na po sila.
Ay, hindi yung...
Ako, ito.
Hindi, tataasan din na.
Ginaling mo rin eh.
Ang galing naman nung gumawa.
Hi! Good evening everyone! Welcome to Facebook Live na Live!
Okay mo. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys?
Asa sila?
Nilak ko. So, ito na. We're about to start. I'm so excited kasi
Oy, wait lang. Ganito ah.
Wait lang! Ay! Shit! Yung camera!
Wait lang! Tina, wait. Tas, darling.
We'll get real lost again. Just run away with my darling.
Told me when I was young, don't play with fire, be careful son. But we were flames and fell in love. We burned the cities down.
Guys, ganito kasi yun. Mag-photoshoot na tayo lahat. Umpisa pa lang kasi fresh pa tayo. Game.
Wala kasing ibang kulay. Thank you. Okay, ako naman din.
So right now they are currently opening their gifts for Darling. So let's just wait.
Feeling ko, sexy ka dito
It's gonna be good.
Ay, 10 lang ba isang dosena yan? Kita naman ang sapit ko pa. Lalabas ko mamaya, nasarapan ako eh.
Ito, Sarah!
Ayoko niya dahil maliit na dahil ang gusto ko ay napakalaki na katulad niyan! Oh, di ba? O, nilabasan niya kanina, ingatan niyo.
Wait!
Parang kay Clark to eh.
Real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with your darling.
again and again.
Kaso, ano?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.